lesson on Proficiency in Sentence Writing Lesson 3. On this lesson, you have to identify subjects and verbs as usual. The subjects here might have multiple words to them. So on question 1, I'm just going to use a line here to indicate what the complete subject is. So the complete subject on 1 is the bus. It's a pretty easy one, a 2-word subject. What they want you to do on this is identify the one word of the subject that is the main subject. It says up here in the instructions, the main subject. So I put the S over top of bus. The complete verb is what you have to identify here, and complete verbs are new to lesson 3. Lesson 2 just had one-word verbs. Lesson 3 has a multi-word verb, and so must have gone is the complete verb on number 1. So what you have to do is you're going to put a V over top of this, but what they want you to do is sort of like they're doing in the example, but I'm going to do it this way. You basically draw a line from must and from have and from gone up to the bottom of that V. So essentially what you just identified is the subject and the verb, which should make a sentence. The bus must have gone. And then there's junk, like I talk about, and that's not essential to the sentence. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't, but we're just identifying the subject and the verb and not the extra stuff at the end. Number 2, I'll do that one as well. So I'll identify the complete subject here. All they want you to do is put a S over top of the one word of the complete subject that is the subject. So friend is the subject. And then here's the complete verb. Could not work, but here's something to keep in mind. The word not is an adverb. It's not a verb. So what you're going to do when you put the V over top here is you're just going to draw a line from could, and you draw a line from work. And that's your complete verb, is could work. Not is an adverb. If you cross it out, great. If you don't cross it out, that's fine as well. Mostly what matters is that you've got the 2 words in that verb, could work, up to the V. Not is not part of the verb. It's kind of like an adjective for it. Something to keep in mind as you go down this activity is that 2 plus a verb, like on question 2 in Learn by Sharing, 2 plus a verb is not, it's junk. So it's not the main verb of the sentence. So you can pretty much rule it out. I'm going to do that right now. So to solve the smog problem, that's just junk. So let me go through that question, identifying the subject and the verb. So of that question 2. So here's the complete subject, the Committee of Environmentalists, and then I have to figure out what the actual main subject is, as it says in instruction number 2. The main subject is committee, not of environmentalists. It's the committee. And then my verb is working. So what you do here is you draw a line from is, and draw a line from working, up to the verb, up to the V, bottom of the V, and there you go. You've got the committee is working. And that's how you do Proficiency in Sentence Writing Lesson 3.